Hello friends, this is Groovy for Yarcrypto.com, and I hope you all are having a very wonderful day today. Today is June 23, 2021, and this is a market update for you guys. So we have BTC here, Bitcoin daily chart to start with, and I have some levels drawn here. We were talking about it on Discord earlier today and on the live stream as well last night about this current move for BTC. And something that I want to note here for you guys is that I am bearish on BTC until further notice, especially because of everything that we discussed earlier on the stream as well. And the whole sentiment of the market is bearish right now. And that what that means is basically every resistance point that we hit is gonna be more relevant, and I expect resistance levels to actually hold even more than before. If you guys look closely here on the BTC chart, we had this level drawn on this 35k level from before, and as you guys can see, this was a very relevant level for BTC in the past couple of days. So we had touches here, and we have touches here as well, and then we have touches over here on this support level, and then we finally broke it 2 days ago, and we shot straight through this with this candle right here, which was a 12% candle. So that was a huge move to the downside. And what did I talk about when we actually made that move? Is the RSI was pretty low on this time right here, so we had to make a relief rally to the upside. So the next day we actually came down even more, and we hit the support line on the 30k level. There were a lot of orders here. People were longing and people were buying at these levels. And as you can see, we wicked all the way up again. We had huge volume on this day. And we were bullish for a while. And I talked about it on Discord as well. The possibility of us retesting the level that we broke. So this level right here, let me point it out for you guys. As you can see, we closed the daily below it, and now today we came back into this level and retested it as a resistance level. And as I said in the beginning of the video, guys, when we are bearish on BTC or any other asset, it means that resistance levels tend to hold even more than in, let's say, bullish environments. So what happened was we came up to this level and bounced off of it again. So this resistance is holding up so far. As you can see, we wicked up here and then we came down again. So yeah, everything is going on as expected so far. My guess, if I would try and guess what's the price is gonna do next, since I'm bearish, we are probably gonna bounce from this area and come down a little bit more. But some key levels to watch so far is still this 30k level. This is major support for BTC, and right now we are between these two ranges, a major resistance and a major support. So that's basically it. We are gonna have to see how this daily closes as well. But yeah, this is basically all I have for BTC right now. Looking at Ethereum though, we have a chart here, and let's look at the daily first. The daily, I had a few levels drawn here as well. As you guys can see from previous videos as well that I made, we have this level drawn here for a long time now, the 2K level. And as you guys can see, we had touches in the past here, and we had touches here as well. And then we had another one here. So this is a very major area for us. And similarly to BTC, actually, we also broke it 2 days ago on this daily candle, this huge daily candle here, this one. And we broke it, and now we came back into it again to test it as resistance as well. And as you guys can see, we are bouncing currently from this gray area, as you guys can see here. This line over here is more specifically the 2040 level, more or less. So yeah, similarly to BTC, I have a similar opinion on Ethereum. I am bearish until further notice. So I would expect us, if we close the daily being rejected like this, to actually come down again. Are we gonna test the 1500 level? I don't know. We have a few supports here, not so strong than this one. But in the event of we actually getting down here at the 1500 level, I would expect this to be the bottom for Ethereum, especially with bullish news coming and all of that. But yeah, levels to watch right now. This range, 2K level that I have on the gray area here. Major support, do or die level for Ethereum, 1500s. Kind of a middle range. We can draw it from these levels right here. So if I draw a line like this would be the 1700 level. And this is also a support level that we can bounce from in the next few days. As you guys can see, this is relevant because of this cluster right here, and also this one right here. So yeah, these are all the levels that I have for you guys. Keep a close eye on that, and as always, guys, be safe out there. This is very dangerous environment right now to be trading in, and filter the noise, as I said every time. Be careful with overly bullish or overly bearish predictions as well. And yeah, be safe out there, man. If you guys want any more content, you can access yarcrypto.com. We also have our Discord community, as I mentioned, and we have a lot of really good people over there that you can talk to. I'm there every day as well. So if you guys have any questions that you want asked, that you want answered, you can put it on the comments, or you can come into the Discord and talk to me and talk to everyone who's over there. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. This has been Groovy for yarcrypto.com, and bye bye.